Welcome back folks. This week we're going to be chatting about the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S LCD screen, what's on offer in the various different settings, and also the KTM My Ride app. So stick around if that's what you want to know about. So folks, welcome back to the channel. To all you subscribers, thank you very much for your continued support. To all you Patreons, I love each and every one of you. Check out the link up above folks if you want to check out what Patreon offers. And for all you new people to the channel, please smash the subscribe button and come and join the fun. This channel has a tagline called Live Your Life, and that's exactly what I aim to do through each of these videos. Getting out there, exploring a bit of the country, exploring a bit of the world, meeting new people, showing what the biking community is all over this land and others has to offer. So if you'd like to join the party, smash the subscribe button and come join the fun. Okay then folks, we are looking into the LCD screen for the 2018/2019 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. So without further ado, let's have a look. Switch her on. Oh, tagline for KTM, ready to race. Lovely job. Look at that. Now that is a beautiful screen, isn't it? You have lots of things on offer here on the LCD screen. On the left hand side here, it's showing trip dates, the odometer, fuel range, time and outside temperature. You've got a digital rev range, you've got digital numerical speedometer. There's also a gear indicator up here. Along the bottom, your typical ABS traction control lights, gear neutral, oil indicator, engine management light, and there's also some symbols there to show you what sort of load setting you're on, whether you're rider and pillion, luggage. There's also the heated grips indicator there as well. We use the function buttons over on the left hand side of the bars here. You can control them nice and easily with your thumb. So as it says here where the set is, push set, and that brings us to the sub menu. I'll cover KTM My Ride in a second. Obviously we've got the info here, hit set again, goes into the first trip computer, it goes on there, it shows your mileage, what your speed is, average time, the fuel you've used. To reset any of these, just push and hold and that resets everything. So you've got two trip computers there. Down again we've got general info, again that just shows us what the mileage is of the bike, the battery voltmeter and your oil temperature. TPMS is your tyre pressure sensor, so again you have to be moving for all that to kick in, but you've got digital tyre pressure sensor on that, which is handy. You've also got service indicator, it shows you when the next service is due, the projected date going by your current usage. Come down to motorcycle, here we've got heated grips, and there's three settings on that: maximum heat, medium heat and minimum heat. When you activate any of them, they are shown on the right where the heated symbol is. Load, again you've got various different settings there: rider and luggage, rider and pillion, pillion and luggage. Again, when you select that, you'll see that the indicator here is flashing, and then that will set itself. And then because this is rider, pillion and luggage, the whole thing should illuminate any second. Takes a little bit of time. There we go. Obviously we can come out of that, I'll put it back to rider. Bang, job done. Damping, again we have sport, street, comfort and off-road. And whatever you set it at, it will obviously change on the display there to show you what you have the current setting as. Ride mode, it's just your engine modes, what style you've got. Again you've got sport, street, rain and off-road. Pick whichever one you want, and again it will show you what your current setting is for the bike on the LCD screen. Traction control, you can switch that on or off here, it's up to you. I would keep it on, to be honest, unless you are a wheelie monster machine, because this is. ABS, you can switch off. Now if you switch this off, you get a little warning up saying this is not road legal, and I would not switch the ABS off if I were you. However, it's up to you. Every time you restart the machine, so whenever you switch the ignition off and restart it, the ABS comes on by default. And obviously if you go into off-road, it will remove the ABS from the rear and gives you a little bit at the front. HHC I think is the hill start control. Again, you can have that as set as on by default. You can switch that off as you want. It doesn't interfere. I've not noticed it on this yet at all. Settings, favourites, again you can select what you want as your favourites. Now these are the things that are shown here on the screen, just by default. so you can set any of them that you like. Nav info on the screen, again, off, there you go. This will be covered when we go through the KTM My Ride. Quick selector, this is a really handy function. At the moment I've got that set as heated grips for quick selector 1 and ride mode for quick selector 2. What this means is, when you're riding along, just with it on the normal default setting, say you want to switch the heated grips on, rather than going through the whole menu function and going back to it, all you do is you push up, and that's your quick selector 1, boff, heated grips. Or say I want to change my ride mode whilst I'm on the go and I don't want to go through all the menu functions, push down, which is quick selector 2, and then I can go through all the various ones there. And that is pretty much it. Let's cover the KTM My Ride app now. The KTM My Ride app is available from Apple Store and Google Play. Once you've downloaded it, there's a nice easy setup process to follow through. It'll walk you through it on your screen. Then you've got to pair your phone with your bike. Again, nice and easy. Again, the app will walk you through it. Go into the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Then you've got to look for the LC8 dashboard, or whatever your bike is called. It'll come up with a pairing Bluetooth request. That'll pop up on the dash of the bike and on your phone. Smash the pair, and bosh, job is done. Then it'll ask if you want to allow your contacts, sync a few things between your phone and your bike, allow all that, and that is the whole process done and dusted. Nice and easy. To set the navigation, open up the app, pop in wherever it is you want to go. Very much like Google Maps, it'll work out a couple of routes for you. You can avoid tolls, avoid highways, avoid unpaved roads. You can do quickest route, shortest route. You can even chuck in waypoints, whatever you like. Once you've got your route, you can hit route preview. It'll give you the overall route and then smash the orange arrows down in the bottom right, and that is you. If you've got Bluetooth comms fitted into your helmet, it'll also give you voice commands for the navigation.
After 200 yards, turn left onto Chatham Road.
I found that really handy, to be honest with you. Then once you're out and about on the bike, it's a simple turn-by-turn navigation, but with the added voice commands, it's quite a good little setup. Really enjoyed it. So folks, that is us. That's the LCD dash and the KTM My Ride app. Apologies for leaking all over you here. It's currently about 38 degrees in this garage. It is like a sauna. We're having a hell of a heat wave in the UK at the moment. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it, folks. Hope you found that of some use. Check out the 2 review vids for the 2018-2019 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S that I've done. They'll be up in the playlist up here. And if you've not checked the rest of the channel out, please feel free. Right folks, hope you've enjoyed the video, hope it's been of some use to you. Keep on keeping on. For all you Patreons, thanks again for all your continued support. For all you subscribers, you lot are the best. And for all you new people, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, smash the subscribe button, it really does help. Follow me along the social media as well, because I'll do day-to-day things, predominantly through Instagram. Alright folks, keep on keeping on, remember to live your life, and we'll see you in the next one.